So a silly thing we do at the beach is put together a puzzle. And this one is a Nautilus Wooden puzzle. It's called the Penguin Dance. It is only 362 pieces. And there are some themes in the puzzle that you might notice. There's a bunny. There's some holly. There's some holly berries. More funky fern-like plants. And we come up, there are penguins. And you're playing musical instruments. Here's one with cymbals. There's one with a drum. These two are singing. Notice he has mallets for his drum. Then we come up, we have two birds, some snowflakes, some evergreen trees in the background, and birches everywhere else. And those elements can be found in some of the actual pieces or sets of pieces. So here we have holly. It's made up of two pieces. Some more holly. Then we have rabbits and bow ties and the ferns and multiple rabbits. This rabbit's actually two pieces. We have lots of penguins. This one with a saxophone. And here's a seal who wasn't anywhere in the picture, but his fins are negative. They're overlapping. We're not quite sure what that thing is. Musical notes, ferns, the penguin head, there's the penguin with the drum, there's the penguin with the saxophone. There's the conductor, because you need a conductor. He's on a podium and he has a baton. We have snowflakes, we have guitar, snowflakes, a bird, and I missed the other part of the penguin with the guitar. I didn't realize those went together. And then trees, musical notes, swimming penguin, and this penguin with a horn, which is multiple pieces. And the little horn itself is very intricate. Oh, and then that tree, we didn't realize that was a tree until late in the game, that those three pieces made up a tree. Oh yes, and this lovely little horn, French horn, I believe. I think this is maybe edition 2 of 2. This is number 12 of 24. So there are 23 other copies of this puzzle floating in the world. Inside the box, instead of a plastic bag, you have a nice nylon cinch top bag with the company. There's a poster of the graphic for reference. The colors do vary a bit between the actual puzzle and the poster. Some information about Nautilus puzzles. And additional information about Nautilus products. Like I said, this is a wooden puzzle. It's only 362 pieces. There's the 800 number. I don't want to distract from the zen state of the puzzle assembly, but I was initially going to show you the individual shaped pieces, the character pieces, before I did the in-depth earlier in the video.